Ever wondered how to concoct your very own natural cream for pain relief right at home? Well, ponder no more. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of herbs, oils, and beeswax to create a soothing, pain-relieving cream that's as effective as it is natural. First, gather the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of dried comfrey and dried calendula each. These herbs are renowned for their healing properties. Next, you'll need a 1/4 cup of beeswax. Beeswax is a fantastic natural thickener that also carries its own beneficial properties. You'll also need a cup of olive oil, a staple in most kitchens, known for its nourishing and hydrating effects on the skin. Now, it's time to start the process. Take your dried herbs and grind them into a fine powder using a grinder or a mortar and pestle. The finer the powder, the better it will infuse with the oil. Next, simmer your olive oil in a saucepan over low heat. Slowly add your powdered herbs into the simmering oil, stirring gently to ensure a uniform mixture. Allow this mixture to simmer for about 30 minutes. This slow infusion process allows the healing properties of the herbs to fully integrate with the oil. After 30 minutes, strain the oil through a cheesecloth, discarding the herb residues. Return the strained oil to the saucepan and add the beeswax, stirring until it completely melts into the oil. And voila, you've just created your own homemade natural pain relief cream. Allow the mixture to cool before transferring it into a clean jar or container. Apply a small amount to the affected area for soothing natural pain relief. Remember, a little goes a long way. Creating your own remedies at home allows you to control what goes on and in your body. Not to mention, it adds an element of fun and satisfaction to the healing process. So if you enjoy whipping up your own remedies and have a favorite recipe or ingredient you swear by, do share it in the comments below. We're always eager to learn from the wisdom of our community. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and consider subscribing for more natural remedies, DIYs, and wellness tips. Remember, your journey to wellness is a marathon, not a sprint. So take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Until next time, stay healthy and keep smiling.